Welcome to ultimate luxury. Step inside a breathtaking open-plan living room that flows seamlessly into an elegant dining room and a sleek, ultra-modern kitchen. Walk up the stunning floating staircase to find a serene master bedroom and your own private jacuzzi oasis. Outside, the luxury continues with a beautiful backyard gazebo and a dedicated children's play area. Finally, head up to the spectacular rooftop terrace and outdoor dining area, the perfect spot to unwind with a view. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle.